In today's video, I will show you one of the easiest ways to make money online in 2023 because this method involves almost nothing and is literally a huge innovation in online businesses. What you have to do is you come to one of these freelance websites. For example, People Per Hour site, and you have to click here in the search and then click here projects like that, and then what you have to do is actually you have to do something like type here and then press enter, and here you can find people who will pay you to write for them. Here you can see this guy will pay you $154, $64, $550, $179. Also here you can find people who will actually pay you to write for them, or you can simply go to Upwork if you want. Then here click here and then click here on jobs, and then here search for the same thing to write, and then here you can see different offers where you can earn good money. Here you can find many jobs that will pay you good money to write for them. So you must be a really good writer. But if you're not good at writing essays, what you can do is you can just go to a website called iWriter, and then you can click on pricing here, and here you can see that they actually have 4 categories of writers have. And for example, because we saw here that we have to be experts our level, we can actually come here and hire someone who is a leader in that level, and he has to pay 4 cents per word, but it doesn't matter because in some projects from $60 to $93 pay us. Let's just look at 30 hours a week and we get paid $60 an hour, which is $1,800. So if we hire someone at iWriter to write us, say, a 1,000 word article that cost us $40 and we get $60 to do it. We receive dollars, so we actually make $20, and what you can do is apply for this and then come back here at iWriter and hire some of these people. There are few levels, and then you can simply come back here and you can find more people who will pay you, and then you can simply recruit more people on writer who are elite level plus level to their right. For you guys, here you can see they do a keyword research with free proof, unlimited review and plagiarism, dedication expert for expert option, dedicated support to customer dashboard, direct author content access. You can contact the author directly and tell him exactly what you want, and you can find exactly what you want right here in the information here on Upwork, and you can simply copy and paste and send it to this person at iWriter to write that article for you. Here are the people who will pay you to write for them.